In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the camera settings on your brand new iPhone 16e series, one of the affordable smartphones with built-in Apple Intelligence. So, let me show you how to open the camera settings. First, unlock your iPhone. You can do this by unlocking your phone, or you can launch the camera from the lock screen by pressing the camera icon. So friends, I'm pressing and holding the camera icon here, and now the camera app is open. By default, photo mode will open. If you want to shoot a video, go to the left side and click on the shutter button. Next, you can access slow motion mode, and at the end of the left side of the camera app, time-lapse mode is available. Similarly, on the right side of the photo mode, you can access the portrait and panoramic shooting modes, which are called 360-degree pictures. Now, I will explain the photos mode. On the photo mode screen, you have the options for 1x and 2x zoom. Yes guys, there is no 5x or 10x zoom option because the 16e has only one camera lens. For more optical zoom, it lacks a wide-angle lens, which is missing in the 16e. To access additional settings, just tap the arrow icon that appears in the center at the top of the screen. Cool. So this camera setting bar that we can slide left to right and vice versa. This icon is for flash photography. To take a photo at night or in dark places, simply turn on the flashlight by tapping this icon and selecting on if the phone doesn't detect low brightness. Now take a picture. You may notice that the flash is going on to illuminate an object or people. If you choose the auto option, you won't have to activate the flashlight manually each time. The auto setting works perfectly for us. Now, to go back, tap on the flash icon again so this menu bar reappears. This icon is for live photos. When you tap on it, an animated picture will be taken, similar to pressing the shutter button. The yellow color live setting will be located on the top side. Open the picture and press and hold on it to play the live photo. Now, go back to the camera app. This type of icon is for photographic styles. Swiping the tone slider left and right changes the saturation of colors, while the warmth slider makes images cooler, blue tint, or warmer. The first is standard, the second is rich contrast, the third is vibrant, the fourth is warm, and the fifth is cool. You can adjust the tone and warmth for each filter. So guys, the built-in photographic styles are an amazing feature to use in daily life. Which one do you like the most? Please tell me in the comments below. The next one is the aspect ratios button. You can take pictures with 4:3 means full screen, then 1:1 square picture, or 16:9, which means widescreen photos. So you can choose according to your preference. So now I will discuss how to adjust the camera exposure on your iPhone. Apple's built-in camera app has a camera exposure symbol that looks like a plus and minus inside a circle. If I'm tapping on this, you can drag the slider up to +2, and on the left side, you can drag it down to -2 for more darkness. For example, this is the picture for a -2 exposure setting, and this one is for a +2 exposure setting. Next one is the timer. Select the timer icon to set a time delay, typically 3 or 10 seconds, before the photo is taken, giving you a chance to get into position before the picture is captured. This feature is helpful for taking self-portraits or group photos. There are 3 settings: 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. You can set your position before the shot as you wish. In the last, the camera filter is located. Vivid creates more contrast. Vivid warm adds a yellow tint to the vivid filter. Vivid cool adds a blue tint to the vivid filter. Dramatic lowers highlights and boosts shadows. Dramatic warm adds a yellow tint to the dramatic filter. Dramatic cool adds a blue tint to the dramatic filter. Mono turns photos into black and white. Silvertone turns photos into black and white with more shadows. Noir turns photos into black and white with high contrast. These are all the tools for iPhone camera photography. If you want to know more about videography, then on video screen, you can switch 4K to HD video shoot, then set it for 30 FPS or 60 FPS. A fantastic feature of the iPhone camera is the ability to pause a video while recording on your iPhone 16e. During videography, tap the white shutter button to take a still photo. Tap the pause button to pause recording. Pinch the screen to zoom in and out. In the end, these are portrait photography settings. Natural light. The subject is in focus and the background is blurred. Studio light. The subject is brightly lit and the photo is clean. Contour light. The subject has dramatic shadows, highlights, and lowlights. Stage light. The subject is spotlit against a black background. Stage light mono. Similar to stage light, but in black and white. And then the last, high key light mono. A grayscale subject on a white background. For information on portrait photography, please watch the video linked in the description below. Here are detailed insights about the iPhone 16e camera. You guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get more iPhone 16e videos. Thanks for watching.